how do you call that? It was extraordinary, it was supernatural. It was preternatural. The boldest marketing move in the history of marketing in this country. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, at unang katanungan, RS, Richard and Sam, paano ba, how'd you get into that? It was a theater of the absurd at its most brilliant. Paano ba, how'd you get into that idea?
Tito Boy, we just stayed true to our core. In front row, we don't just do certain things. We do things in a certain way. And we call it the front row way. And of course, saan pa tayo? Hindi na tayo lalayo, kundi sa team po namin, especially po si RS. Si RS po talaga yung the brains behind the boldest marketing move.
Tito Boy, ang daming mga kinonsulta namin na galing sa labas, nagpe-present sa amin. Pero wala, iba-iba, pero wala talaga kaming mga nagustuhan. So parang medyo okay, pero kulang eh. Yung alam mo yung, okay na, pero meron kaming hinahanap. Hindi namin masabi kung ano yung hinahanap namin doon sa nagpe-present sa amin. Yung pala yung hinahanap namin, sa kakahanap-hanap namin, nandito lang pala. Si RS.
Pakinggan natin si RS.
Actually, Tito Boy, when Sam and I were talking about how to make Lux White Enhanced Glutathione even better, even stronger, sabi namin, kung ilo-launch natin yan, Sam, the campaign has to be out of this world. Sam, I told him, one of the meetings, we can go generic like all the other companies. We can say, put a silhouette and say coming soon, 3 more days, and then we'll reveal it with a cloth and ta-da! We can go as generic as that. But of course, that's why I admire my business partner so much. He gives in to all my whims. In other words, sa Tagalog, lahat ng kalok-kalokahan ko, pumayag siya. In fact, when I was conceptualizing this, Sam was, I think, having a sortie in Tondo. But then, habang sinasabi ko, gusto ko may lamay, gusto ko may ganyan, hanggang i-bash tayo, hanggang sabihin, magsasara na, hanggang sabihin, ganyan. Sabi ko, kayo na mag-explain kay SB kung paano. Kasi, syempre, we know he's running for mayor. And everything counts. In fact, dun sa 5 days, since we announced March 10, ang dami ng bashers.
Yes!
Super dami naming haters. Shout out po pala sa inyo dahil sa inyo nagka-free marketing pa kami. Salamat po. Imagine, nabuhay lahat ng mga haters, and then sabi ko, Sam, just give me 5 days. After that 5 days, the resurrection is unbelievable. Sabi ko, because what we did, yung Lux White na marami, milyon-milyon nagmamahal, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. Sabi namin, paano pa to? So sabi namin, Tito Boy, patindihin pa natin, doblehin natin yung milligrams. So from 700 milligrams, now it's 1,000, 2,000. 1,400 milligrams. So, yung dating glutathione lang, we packed it with collagen, oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, talagang lahat ng gusto natin. Of course, we know now kasi talaga na everybody wants to look good. Everybody has the right to look good and be healthy. So sabi ko, Sam, pili ka, the generic launch or as you've said, a bold move. Sabi ni Sam, RS, go. Do that bold move.
Okay, RS, for something as